So I recently got this Master Lock magnetic key case, and I'm just going to tell you everything I know about it. The description on the product page does say that it is not intended for use on cars. Not sure why, but just wanted to make sure you knew that. It's very easy to open. Actually, some of the reviews say that a lot of people have trouble trying to open it, and I find it very easy. You just put your thumb right there, press down a little, and slide it open. And close every time. I find it very easy to open. So I'm not sure what's going on with those that don't find it easy to open. It does say that it holds 1 to 2 keys. So there's 1 key. To me, it looks like you would be able to put a whole lot of keys in there. But anyway, now a fob. Okay, unless your fob is smaller than mine, I don't recommend putting that in there. I actually did try to put it in here and it barely fit, and I had the hardest time getting it out. I'm not going to show you that because it was so hard to get it back out. So just keys. And then of course you can hide it around your house outside somewhere on a steel surface because it has this nice strong magnet, just in case you lock yourself out of the house. And I will just demonstrate the magnet right now. So there you go. It's on my fridge. It's a really powerful magnet. Let's try to pull it off. See? Boom. Really powerful magnet. It's made of plastic, so it will never rust. So if you do keep it outside, it's not going to rust. This is a great idea to never ever get yourself locked out of your house, because that's just the most inconvenient thing ever. I give it 5 stars.